NDTV profit.
All right, let's move on. Let's talk about the deal activity, M&A deal activity in the first half of this particular year, which has been very, very sluggish. As a matter of fact, I'm quoting a Grant Thornton report which says that the first half M&A activity is at a 3-year low at just 24.6 billion. To discuss more of that, we have with us Harish HV, partner, practice leader, corporate finance at Grant Thornton LLP, joining us from Bangalore. Harish, great to have you with us. Thanks for taking time out to talk to us. Can you give us a sense, based on your analysis, there seems to be pretty dismal picture right now. It seems like deal-making activity has come down quite drastically. Is it more to do with repercussions of GAR, or there are other factors to play here which are hitting the overall deal-making activity in the country this year?
Well, to start with, you're right in your analysis that the deal making has come down in terms of values. But what I want to say is the volumes have grown. So while numbers in terms of value has come down, the volume has shot up from something like 510 to 544. So we are seeing more activity in terms of number of deals, but where we are not seeing a growth is in value. And the difference is because in the past years we used to have multi-billion dollar deals, and these are missing in the market. Again, you refer to GAR, but we are seeing more inbound activity compared to outbound activity, which is another big driver of value. If you look at the past years, we used to have a couple of multi-billion dollar deals, and that used to increase the value. But now we have more deals, but of much lower value. That is the sense we are seeing. But a clear twist that we are seeing is also that inbound activity has increased significantly compared to outbound, which used to be the leader 2 years ago.
Right. Harish, I'll come to both of these aspects simultaneously. First, outbound deals in value terms are down 64% in the first half of this year. What could be the reason? Are Indian corporates not really in favor of going out and doing M&A deals? Is the appetite for risk dissipating, or appetite for foreign assets dissipating among Indian corporates?
Well, there is definitely a little bit of slowdown on doing deals overseas because of concerns of the economic growth in larger parts of the world. For example, most of our deals usually happen in North America and Europe, and given the concerns there, there is a little bit of hesitation in doing acquisitions in those parts. Having said that, there are still some large deals like the Piramal one which on Decision Tree, which was 600 plus million. But if you look at the earlier years, you used to have a Chorus, you had a Novelis, you had a GLR. But that kind of deals have completely vanished, and at this moment we don't see any of those happening.
All right, Harish, we'll have to leave it at that. We've completely run out of time. Thank you so much for taking time out to talk to us, giving us a sense of how deal-making activities happened in the first half of this year. Clearly, these are dismal numbers to go with. Outbound deals, inbound deals, everything has slowed down, at least in value terms, for the first half of this particular year. Let's move on. Earnings picture for Indiabulls Financial Services. The numbers have come out. I just want to quickly recap numbers. Profit after tax at 267 crores, net interest income at 462 crores, stable performance. The stock, however, is down 2.5%. We have with us the management, Gagan Banga, CEO, Indiabulls Financial Services.
NDTV profit.